Lukla Airport in Nepal is often called the world's most dangerous airport, and here's why. First, the airport sits at 9,334 feet above sea level, where thin air reduces engine performance and lift, forcing faster approaches and shorter reaction times. Second, the runway is only 527 meters long, sloped with an 11.7% gradient to help planes stop in time because overshooting means a fatal plunge off a cliff. Third, there's no radar or advanced navigation systems. Pilots rely entirely on visual flight rules, navigating the steep Himalayan terrain with only their experience and training. The approach requires pilots to maneuver through narrow valleys, often surrounded by towering peaks. Fourth, the weather here is notoriously unpredictable. Strong winds and sudden cloud cover frequently reduce visibility, canceling nearly half of all flights. Lastly, there are no go-around procedures. The one-way approach into Lukla means pilots must fully commit. There's no second chance to get it right. Flying into Lukla is not just a test of skill, but a testament to the precision and expertise of pilots who dare to take on the challenge. Subscribe Flight Deck Diaries for more.